no. Here's the situation.
Snooki took us to the wrong party.
This is a party here, right?
Yes, here. Yeah, buddy.
Now, how scary is it that I know this is the situation and Paulie and Snooki?
If I don't get any candy, there's gonna be a situation here.
We'll get you.
Nobody wants a situation.
Yeah.
We got a party to go to.
buddy.
Gail Viney, Dan Cunningham, inside Steve Van Inner, Mark Levicott. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, buddy.
The door's that way. Don't let her hit you on the way out. That's the situation.
That was great.
Thanks, everybody, for coming out. It's a lot of fun. We're going to be right back with people in the news and a mini Lady Gaga. Yes, it gets scarier.
How can you top that?
Winner of this canine costume contest received dog food for a year. That is the situation.
They're fist pumping in the background.
Live at 5. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Happy Halloween, everybody.
See you tomorrow.